Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to let Alexa pick my slime ingredients. I had a lot of fun filming this and I hope you enjoy it. Hi Alexa. Hi.
Hi.
Alexa, how are you today?
You caught me in the middle of doing the hokey pokey, so I'm all turned around.
What the heck? Alexa, what do you mean?
That's hard to explain.
Alexa, white or clear glue?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
Here's a number between 1 and 2. It's 1.
Starting off the first slime, Alexa picked white glue. Alexa, pick one, lotion or face wash?
Do you want to shop for one lotion or face wash?
No.
All right.
Alexa, pick one, face wash or
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
Here's a number between 1 and 2. It's 1.
And number 1 is lotion. Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa, pick a number 1 or 2.
Here's a number between 1 and 2. It's 2.
Alexa picked number 2, and that is shaving cream. Alexa, are you ready?
I'm ready when you are.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 4.
Your random number between 1 and 4 is 1.
Alright, it's pretty clear that Alexa seems to love number 1. She picked the fuchsia paint. Moving on, there are 3 options, adding the trio glitters, baby oil, or sand. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
Number 1 again, and that is the trio glitters, which consist of blue, silver, and pink. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
For number 3, I have to add all of the colored pigments that are in this bag. That concludes this round, and now I'm going to mix everything and form it into slime. Here is the finished slime for round 1, and this is a beautiful copper fluffy slime with glitters. I do want to admit that when I was mixing this, I thought that I wouldn't like the ending color, but after letting it sit, it turned into this, and I love it. The glitters and the pigments do sometimes come off on my hands when I play with it. Other than that, it is a fun slime. Alexa. Wait, what? Alexa? Alexa, what are you doing?
I'm answering questions and learning more.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Your random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
Oh man, I want it clear. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Your random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
It's obvious that Alexa can't handle the Clear Glue because it's too fabulous. Well, you know what, Clear Glue? I love you. You make beautiful slimes with endless possibilities. Alexa, will you be my friend?
I'm happy to be your friend.
Oh, thank you, Alexa. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
And number 3 is cornstarch. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
I am happy because Alexa picked number 2, which is instant snow. Alexa, sing a song.
Who, me? I couldn't. I hit it. Well, my Wi-Fi left me.
Okay, Alexa, stop. Alexa, pay attention.
I'm here, ready to help.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 4.
Your random number between 1 and 4 is 2.
I got the colorful pom-poms. Alexa, should I add clay? Yes or no?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 2.
Your random number between 1 and 2 is 2.
So for this round, I have different colored flown beads. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
I really wanted number 3, which is the pink and green flown bead, but it chose number 2, which is the white flown beads. I'm fine with that too, but I really wanted some color. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 5.
Your random number between 1 and 5 is 2.
The color that was chosen is fuchsia. And we have reached the end, the final question to ask Alexa, either facial cleanser, shaving cream, or baby oil. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
Alexa, thank you so much for helping me today.
Anytime.
Alexa, you suck.
You can always send feedback through the help and feedback section of the Alexa app.
Alexa, I'm just kidding, I love you.
Thanks. It's good to be appreciated.
Alexa, can you say goodbye in 5 languages?
I speak fluent English and conversational Pig Latin. My accent is atrocious, but it's good enough to keep me from getting lost in Pig Love You.
After adding the baby oil, you know the drill. I'm going to make this into slime and see what the end result will be like. This is what the slime looks like immediately after adding quite a bit of borax into this. I kept adding because it was still sticky and crumbly, but I love the sounds even though I didn't like the initial texture. After letting it sit the magic of time, and not that long, probably only about 5 minutes, it got smoother, and eventually I'm thinking because it absorbed all of the snow, it got softer and it reminded me of a cloud dough. Alexa, bye.
Talk to you later.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!